Imagine creating stunning, lifelike images from just a few words. Intrigued? Stay tuned to discover the magic of AI text-to-image generators. Artificial intelligence has been revolutionizing various fields, and now it's making waves in the art world. From popular tools like DALL-E to lesser-known gems, AI art generators are here to transform your text into beautiful images. Let's dive into the best AI text-to-image generators you can use today, starting with Midjourney AI. Midjourney, a fantastic AI that started on a Discord server and now has its own dedicated website. Midjourney excels at generating accurate and strikingly beautiful images, even from complicated prompts. Although it's not free, the membership fee is worth it for the quality of art you can create. Stable Diffusion, also known as Dream Studio, is another popular choice offering fast and accurate image generation. This open-source tool can be set up on your own PC or used online, making it versatile and accessible. DALL-E 3, a top Midjourney alternative, offers vibrant, detailed, and high-quality images, making it a favorite among users. While DALL-E 3 requires a ChatGPT Plus subscription, DALL-E 2 offers free credits to get you started. Bing Image Creator, powered by DALL-E 3, is a free tool that generates detailed and accurate images quickly. Accessible via smartphone, Bing Image Creator offers a seamless experience for creating AI art on the go. Google Bard, Image Generator, and ImageFX use Google's proprietary Imagen 2 model to produce high-quality images. ImageFX offers alternative keywords for prompts, making image generation more interactive and fun. Jasper Art, known for its writing capabilities, also excels in AI art generation with fine-tuning options and quick output. Night Cafe offers a variety of customization options, including different algorithms and art styles for greater creative control. Photor, a web-based tool, generates beautiful and realistic images quickly, with various aspect ratios and styles to choose from. Photosonic, based on Stable Diffusion, allows for detailed prompts and quick image generation without a credit system. Lensa AI focuses on creating lifelike avatars from selfies, using the Stable Diffusion model for high-quality outputs. Starry AI, available on Android and iOS, offers a user-friendly interface and a variety of customization options for AI art creation. Dream by Wombo, known for its deepfake app, offers a beautiful layout and a variety of art styles for creating vivid images. Imagine Art AI provides a simple interface with several customization options, generating accurate and detailed artworks. Crayon, the rebranded DALL-E Mini, offers a free and easy-to-use platform for generating AI art, though it may lack some finesse. These AI art generators offer endless possibilities for creating stunning artwork from simple text prompts. Whether you're a professional artist or just exploring, these tools can help you bring your creative visions to life. So why not give them a try and see what amazing art you can create with the power of AI? Thanks for watching! Dive into the world of AI art and let your imagination run wild. Create, innovate, and inspire!